Hey, are you ready for the party tonight?
Yes, I'm really excited. Have you decided what to wear?
Not yet, I'm still trying to figure it out. Do you have any suggestions?
How about that new dress you bought last week? It looked great on you.
Oh, that's a good idea. I'll try it on and see how it looks.
Perfect. And don't forget to accessorize with some statement jewelry.
Definitely, I have the perfect necklace that will go with it.
Great. Is there anything else you need to do before we leave?
I just need to do my hair and makeup. It shouldn't take too long.
Take your time, I'll be ready by then. What time should we leave?
The party starts at 8 p.m., so let's leave around 7:30 p.m. to be on time.
Sounds good. Should we take a taxi or use public transportation?
Let's take a taxi. It will be more convenient and faster.
Agreed. I'll book one in advance so we don't have to wait.
Thanks, that's a good idea. Do you know how long the party will last?
The invitation didn't mention an end time, so it could go on late into the night.
That's good to know. I'll make sure to get enough rest beforehand.
That's a wise plan. We want to have enough energy to enjoy the party.
Absolutely. I'm really looking forward to catching up with our friends.
Me too. It's been a while since we've all gotten together.
Well, let's make it a night to remember. Ready to have some fun?
Absolutely. Let's go and make some unforgettable memories.